Guys, this is Matt, and I'm starting off my new channel with my bike check. You're gonna probably see me in most of my videos with it, cause I'm not gonna get new parts, cause I like it how it is pretty much. And then I'm about to get a GoPro, so I'm gonna have some videos with that too. But starting off with my light blue Black Ops grips with white screw-in bar-ends. I have some white like unmarked bars. This is how I got them. I didn't really read the box or anything, because I had my bike shop install them. And then let's have a normal brake. I don't really know. Then I have my DK stem, FSA impact headset integrated. I had to buy extra on it. Then I have my white volume forks that I took off the stickers, but here's the cap for them. And then I have a DK frame. This thing is super light. I really like it. It's light blue. I have a white Alpine sticker on it. Then I have a DK seat, which I also really like. And then yet again I got some black, just unmarked cranks that I really don't know what they are. Just had them install them for me. Then white Odyssey pedals. Well, yeah, pretty much. And then they're plastic and they're pretty worn down, but I still like them. Have some black DK spokes on the back tire and on the front tire. And I have this, where is it? There it is, the of Spades cap. And then I have an Odyssey dirt race tire, but I don't really race. I just go to racetracks and jump. Then front tire, got a dirt DK tire on the front, same DK spokes. And then my Spades cap again. Then go on this side, my bike. I have my white KMB chain, and then same pedal and stuff. Like their smallest DK. I can't think right now. Smallest DK sprocket that they really had. I'm kind of a fan of DK parts. I didn't buy this complete, but so that's pretty much my bike, and you can watch my other videos as soon as I upload them, probably in next couple days, but I don't know when you're watching this, so next couple days from the day I upload this. So see you guys later, probably add some more. Bye.